stock now down after an initial part of your investment. Short sellers have dropped about $5 million on this trade in just a day, although many are still in it. Nearly 18% of available shares are sold short, according to Esper.
How we doing?
Interesting, a lot of investors may
Saw Robert in my live stream. You there, Robert?
are the two biggest holdings in the Russell 2000. I actually loved your on the other hand this morning because the way they're
I'm looking to do a double live, so if you hear me and you're available to do a double live, I'm having some tea. Oh, we got Party Finance in the live stream. Let me know if one of you guys is available to do a double live.
I also find what AMC CEO Adam Aaron is doing so important. He's turning this stock pop into capital.
I'm hoping to do a double live. If not, I'll watch CNBC. Okay, 5 minutes. Cool, guys. So in 5 minutes, I'll do a double live with Party Finance. We got a lot to catch up on. By the way, Party Finance has been really good with his crypto predictions. Once again, I'm very glad that TikTok has introduced me to him because he's done a great job. So if you guys don't know who he is, give him a follow. Party Finance, great content, and you'll see he'll be on my live stream. So I'm sure you guys will be really happy. Tesla under $600, guys. I would buy some Tesla, but my average price is under $600. But I think Tesla 560, 550 is really juicy. Those are the prices I like to buy Tesla. All right, I'm going to see if there's anyone else who's available. Oh man, Stock Market Daddy. He's got 15 people in his live stream. Oh, dude, he's rejecting me. Wow. I just got rejected by Stock Market Daddy. He's got 15 people in his live stream and he's too cool for me now. Wow. That's messed up. Well, it's all good. I got Party Finance in 5 minutes, so. Good morning, guys. Let me know your thoughts on the 2021 bull run. They're saying there's room to run. I don't know your thoughts. All right, let's talk about some crypto. By the way, did you guys see my new video? Who's holding AMC? I have AMC. You guys want to see? Hold on. I'm glad you brought that up. I want to see how much my shares are worth now. Hold on. I bought my AMC for $3. I can't wait to flex on you guys. So hold on. Let me show you. I'm glad you brought that up. I want to actually flex on everyone. Gosh, I'm still down so much on Alibaba. Oh my god, dude. My AMC is a joke. All right, I'm sending you guys my AMC data really quick. 1 sec. That's all they're talking about. AMC, AMC, AMC. Are you guys ready to see this? You're gonna laugh. It's my best performing stock in my stock portfolio. Isn't that funny? It's outperformed everything. I sold, unfortunately. I had 1,000 shares of AMC, and I unfortunately freaking sold. But here, I'll show you my actual individual AMC. This used to be 1,000 shares. I really regret selling. Look at my cost prices. I had 1,000 shares of AMC and I sold at $14.
What's up?
So I was telling everyone, dude, I had 1,000 shares of AMC and I sold most of it at like $14. When should I sell this though? There's no point. Like it's gonna drop. So when should I sell my last 20 shares? My $800 of
Down
AMC.
13% right now. So
How long have I been working on this portfolio? About 2 years, 3 years. So it's all right. But hey, by the way, I want to give you props, man. Your predictions on crypto have been so good, man. Literally, dude.
thank you.
Yeah. It's good that you have all this content saved too, just because like in the future, it's crazy. Because I saved all of our live streams, but it's crazy how good you've been at predicting crypto markets. Can you predict AMC? Like, when do you think AMC is gonna crash?
I saw it at 72 yesterday. I was on live with Stock Daddy.
He
And,
rejected me. He's got like
yeah, I know.
15
I saw
people.
that. That was
He
funny.
was 15 people in his live stream, and now he's too big for us, dude. He's like, no, guys. Like, it used to be he had no one.
Yeah, so it was like at 72, and I saw it flash crash to like 31 on a Schwab. So I was like, yeah, you guys should get out. Yeah, like yesterday after hours.
Dude,
But
I love this comment. Someone's like, can y'all book flights with American Airlines? I have a call option. You need the apes to pump your stocks.
yeah,
But yeah, dude, I don't know. Like this AMC stuff is ridiculous, man.
yeah, I wasn't expecting that. Like I didn't play it at all. I
Oh, you
wish I
didn't touch
did.
it? Yeah, I'm just like whatever. So this morning I'll tell you what I'm buying. So I'm still buying Airbnb. Very bullish on Airbnb. I didn't buy any Coinbase today. Now that I gotta go buy some Coinbase. I'm gonna start buying Disney. What do you think of Disney? I mean I hate the company, but I feel like it's like an easy money company.
Yeah, I feel like you can like make some easy money. Rocket Mortgage did pretty good this morning.
Dude, I bought a
Popped
bunch.
up.
I bought a ton
Yeah,
of Rocket. And remember, once again, if you guys were watching our live stream, I was talking about buying Rocket Mortgage. So I bought a ton. I bought like almost 1,000 shares at $17, 17 to $18. So, but you guys are
yeah,
missing
did
on
pretty.
a good stock run. See, people are saying stocks are boring, move to crypto. What you do is the hustle that I do is I use my stocks to borrow to buy more crypto. So I don't know if I showed you guys here. I'll send you another screenshot. But I basically borrowed almost 100 grand on my stocks to buy like the crypto dips. And the problem with crypto is the loans. It's really hard to get a good loan right now on crypto. Now that might change in 6 months, and then you can YOLO crypto all you want. But for now, you need stocks to be able to borrow at super low interest rates. But here, let me pull up. I'm going to pull up my margin debt while you look at your stuff. I want to show everyone how much margin debt I have.
What's up? What's up? What are you guys up to? What are you guys investing in this morning? Binance.
Can you see it? I don't think you guys can see it, so hold on. I'm just going to send another screenshot because they can't see it. Hold on. I'll be right back.
What's up? What are you guys investing in? Stocks or crypto? What are you guys buying this morning? What's up? GTT.
By the way, did you see
Blade
that?
did
M1 Finance is giving me 0 interest. Sorry, I gotta send it on my WhatsApp. Transferring. The life of having 2 phones, guys. All my girls think I'm shading. I'm just kidding. All right, here we go. See you guys.
You to invest in doing both stocks and crypto. Nice.
All right, 1 second, guys. I love these comments. My God, you're the YOLO never king. So they want to know. These are actually good questions for. Okay, by the way, guys, you got to follow Party Finance when it comes to crypto, man. Like, if you've been following our live streams, dude, he's literally like 95% on his crypto like predictions so far, and it's because of an algorithm, right? Can you show my audience your scripts really quick?
Yeah. Basically, it's just harmonics and the TD. Let me bring this up. So, like for Bitcoin right now, right? I mean, possibly you could short it like a couple $100 or like $50. But yeah, it just basically plots out like sell targets and buy targets and trade off that. Nothing too crazy. It's built off the TD sequential and harmonic patterns. So
Hey,
look into that.
I gotta bring it in lower. Hold on. Anyway,
So my indicators are on TradingView. They're all private.
anyways, I do want to show this to everyone. So I basically borrowed almost 100 grand, and look at my projected bill. It cost me $142 a month to borrow $100,000. And if I put that in that 9% US dollar coin, what is that a month? Let me do the math really quick. Hold on, I'm gonna run the math on 100 grand to see how much I would make. It's 100 grand divided by 0.9.
One coin under 225. Yeah, I'll pick some up if it goes
$750
under.
bucks. If I wanted to be like a paper handing sissy, I could put my 100 grand and collect $750, and I'd only pay $142 in interest. Oh, you want to do a math invitation? You want to do this?
Yeah, let's see. I'm down.
Okay,
I've
here
got
we go.
24 people in here.
So this is a good
All
question.
right,
When
tap
it
this.
gets to a real estate deal, what do you look for in a contract? This is actually a great question. What like for you? Have you been pitched real estate deals or not really? You just do your own deal?
Yeah, I haven't been pitched any. Well, like since TikTok, some people have pitched me deals, but it's like it's kind of crazy. Some of these, what they want, but that's about it. I really don't. I go find my own deals, and then that's about it.
Okay. So yeah, I got interest on the US dollar coin. If you guys want, let me show you. I got paid $60 really quick. So I'm gonna switch my background so you can see. But the cool thing is, dude, I got paid $200 of Bitcoin. Did I tell you on what is this called? On Voyager Digital, man. Look, so I made $70 of passive income on my Voyager Digital, and I have about 15
Nice.
grand. So 15 grand. Um, I don't know, that's like not that much. But look, I got 32 Cardano doing nothing. I put 7,000 Cardano, and this is what 7,000 Cardano will pay you. And then the coolest thing is my Bitcoin, dude. If you do that math, it's $215 of Bitcoin that I got paid to do nothing.
Yeah, that's really good. Just sitting there.
Dude, and to be honest, I should have just taken most of that 100 grand that I borrowed, and I should have just bought like more Bitcoin during the dip. Like my biggest regret is not buying more during the dip. And to be honest, the best thing I did was live stream with you, and you with your, confidence. Like it got me to buy more, and I'm still regretting I didn't
Yeah.
because I still had a lot of cash left over. I didn't pull the trigger.
Yeah,
So
I'm so strong. I'm so long too. So I still believe in it.
where do you borrow 100 grand for $140 a month? It's M1 Finance, guys. M1 Finance, and then the best one is actually Interactive Brokers. It's cheaper on Interactive Brokers than M1 Finance, So if I did it on Interactive Brokers, it would be $70 a month. The problem is like it doesn't have like a nice infrastructure. Like that's the problem with Interactive Brokers. Like I would send you a screenshot of my margin
There
debt,
goes AMC.
but it just shows like negative cash in it. So I don't know. It's not as easy to show on Interactive Brokers. What were you saying about AMC?
I said there goes AMC. It's 37. Now it's like bouncing a little bit.
What price is it at? Should I sell my 20 shares of AMC? Should I get out?
I feel like it could pop up right now. So like maybe like in the 50s. Like it's like $38 right now. I'm not playing it, but I could see it pop up. Like
So I should have sold at 70, right? Was that the peak? Was 70?
I think so. Because I saw it flash down at 31 on Schwab, like massive orders. Like they just flashed it down real quick.
Dang it, dude. I got too greedy, man. Shoot. I got too greedy. If I sold it at 70, I would have been diamond hands, right?
I
kind
wish
of
I
want to
hopped
do
on.
the apes though. Like, aren't they saying the apes will never sell? You just like hold it and you never sell, like the ape, the gorilla apes.
Yeah, just ape in.
Yeah,
Sold AMC at 50. Nice. Nice.
good for you. Whoever sold your AMC stock at $50, good for you. 'Cause, yeah,
Do you have to give them collateral or what? Yeah, I'm guessing for the margin loans, you have to. It's like
yeah.
your
In
stock
order
is
to
your
borrow
collateral.
100 grand, you're gonna need $200,000 of like high quality stocks. But see, this is why I don't sell my stocks. And this is why I can buy the dip. When crypto crashes, it's really easy for me to buy the dip because I'm not putting in my own cash. I'm just using my stocks that I've saved over 10 years, you know? Because like everyone here, I want everyone to know in 2008 is when I started, and I started with $2,000. And then instead of like, just like leaving your money in a checking account, I just slowly, accumulated stocks. And the only time you sell is to tax harvest, like tax loss harvest. Do you know what that is, party finance?
Yeah, I've taken some wash trades here and there.
Nice, nice. You want to explain that to people so they can understand what
Yeah.
tax loss harvesting is?
Basically, sometimes it's good to like take a loss on a trade for like your tax purposes, and then just rebuy it next year, pretty much.
And so
So that's like a wash trade, technically.
someone asked a good
Kinda.
someone asked a really good question. Are mutual funds and ETFs safe bets to borrow against? So the mutual funds, no, because mutual funds are ripoffs, but the ETFs are actually the best way to hold stocks long term. Because remember, you're trying to avoid taxes, and here's the problem: like Facebook is a great company, but eventually I might have to get out of Facebook, and the problem is I have to eventually sell those shares, right? But if I have an ETF, oh, we got a draw, bro. I've never seen that. We got a draw. That's crazy. I've never seen a draw in a duel. But anyway, so the ETFs are the best because they rebalance your portfolio for you. So I highly recommend, even though I don't own that much, I'm like 10, 20% ETF. It's actually not a bad idea.
Yeah, I had
Yeah,
to wait 30 days to rebuy to get a wash. Yep.
yeah.
Gotta wait a little bit to rebuy it.
Yeah, exactly. And then so let me explain why margin debt is so awesome. So what I do is let's just say I have $100 of stocks and I end up buying with my margin $150 of stocks. So what I do is now I have $150 of stocks, right? When I look to sell, I only sell my red stocks because like with margin, you have all this extra money, right? I would have only had $100 of stock. Now I have 150. And so now let's just say I have too much margin debt and I need to like trim my positions. I just go to all my red stocks and I only sell my red stocks. So literally every year, my tax return is always negative because I'm only selling
Yeah.
stocks I lose money on. So literally, I think the max deduction you can get is $3,000. Every year I'm getting a $3,000 tax deduction, but my portfolio is literally like growing at, you know, 10, 20, like every year my portfolio grows anywhere from 20 to like $50,000. I guess 2020 was like a really good year and it went up like 100 grand or something but that's the crazy thing. It's like my taxable income is negative. Like I show negative $3,000, but like my assets are growing. So with this is a great one. Can you explain this one with crypto? With crypto, you don't have to do it technically, correct?
For like wash trading
Yeah,
or
you
like
don't
stuff
because
like
it's
that.
considered property. So supposedly you don't have to do that with crypto. So when it comes to tax loss harvesting, crypto is right now better than stocks until the SEC makes like a different ruling. So right now, if you're trying to tax loss harvest, you can do that with Bitcoin and you don't have to wait 30 days, which is amazing. So that's an advantage cryptocurrencies have over stocks.
He's like, I hope the IRS isn't listening.
Yeah, that's a good comment. That's cool. So a good comment too on your ETFs. You want to make sure your expense ratio is under 1%. Don't buy ETFs that have more than a 1% expense ratio. And if you use the Vanguard ETFs, they have less than 0.1%. Like you can get 0.004, which is amazing.
It's funny, like back in 2016, like I made a bunch of money in crypto, and I was with my like trading group. So we called the IRS because none of our tax guys like knew what the hell to do at that time, like so much profit. So I called the IRS, and they were like, "Yeah, we don't have any humans like working on this like area, so we'll get back to you."
That's
Never
hilarious.
got back to me.
At
Yeah,
the end of the day, just make your CPA sign off on it because
yeah,
a lot of your penalties, you don't get in trouble as long as your CPA certifies that like he thinks it's correct. You only get in trouble when a
yeah.
CPA doesn't certify your tax returns. These are good questions, guys. I like how come whenever I do a dual live stream with you, I get better questions? Like sometimes when I do other dual live streams, the questions are really dumb.
What are the best investments to go into Vanguard? I actually pulled out like 90K from Vanguard. Because once you go into Vanguard, you're buying a bunch. Everything's Vanguard, so like you're just I don't know. I feel like you can make a bunch of more money
Yeah,
elsewhere.
you want to do interactive brokers and Robinhood. You really don't need another broker other than those two. And the reason I say Robinhood is just because of the last crypto crash. You couldn't buy anything on the other crypto exchanges. So the only reason I'm not going to shut down my Robinhood for now is because you can basically but yeah, interactive brokers and Robinhood will allow you to buy the Vanguard ETFs. And you want the ETFs. You don't want the mutual funds. They're garbage. This is a funny comment. I hope to never experience tax court. Have you heard of Tastyworks? I've never heard of Tastyworks.
Yeah, that's like TD Ameritrade, I think. I believe
Yeah.
like one
So
of their divisions.
someone says I'm new to stock stuff. Which ones do I buy? So I would get a Robinhood, and the two that I recommend are VOO and VTI. And then here, I'm gonna just for you, I'm going to take screenshots of both of them really quick. So give me 1 second so I can show you the Vanguard fund.
But yeah, long term investing is important for sure.
Yeah. All right. So I'll just do the Google ones.
What do you think about eToro? I think it's interesting that you can like follow people's trading.
Yeah, and they do that
It's
with
pretty.
Public too. Public.
Yeah, there's this app called Iris. I think that's what it's called. You can like hook up your Robinhood and your TD Ameritrade, and it'll just like show you every time you buy and sell to anyone's following you, all your followers.
Yeah. Hey, also, if you guys are my followers, do you mind when people ask these questions and I say the name of the stocks, can you put it in the chat? Because I mean, I can put it in the background, but it would be cool if you guys just type out the name of the stocks, so I don't have to like do it. But here, all right, I'll bring up the one that I like. So this one's the most diversified. It has a higher expense ratio, so you're going to pay Vanguard more. I think they charge you 11 points instead of 4 points, but this is the cheapest one. Like literally, this is the best beginner investment you can do. Is this one? And then
Yeah, no problem.
they also have a technology one. It's VGT. That one has insane growth. Like it's way better because it's all the tech stocks. So you could do VOO, VTI, and VGO. Okay, this is a great crypto question. Staking or farm pools legit, risky, terrible idea? What are your thoughts on the farm and staking pools?
It depends. Okay, so like some of them can be like legit, but it could really depend. So some of them some of these tokens, right? They offer staking, but like you can stake it. They offer like 7%, 6%, like monthly. So at the end of the year, you're getting like 80%, right? Sometimes. But then like the token value could be going down, like, and they're locking you up for like 90 days while the actual price of the coin's going down like 10 to 30%. So it's a good thing that I mean, if you have a long term outlook and if you think it's like a solid coin, then yeah, stake it for sure. But like most of all these like new tokens coming out, I wouldn't stake them just because it's locking them up for so long. So unless you believe in it long term.
So this is a hilarious question. I just have to laugh about it. Can you buy crypto with a credit card? Yes, but you're kind of an idiot if you're buying it with a credit card.
Yeah, you're paying like 20% premium. There's websites that allow you to.
Yeah, I don't understand why you do that. You might as well just go buy a Lambo instead and have fun. Go get a Lambo with your credit. Rent a Lambo. You can rent a Lambo with your credit card. So rent a Lambo for a couple days. That's more fun than buying Bitcoin with a credit card. And then someone asked me, is the US dollar coin safe? Yes, because that one doesn't have any volatility. If you buy Tether, Tether has actual volatility where sometimes it's like worth less than a dollar or more than a dollar. The US dollar coin on what is it? On Voyager, it's always $1. There's no volatility. SEC regulations good for crypto? Yes, because you're gonna get ETF. Like what you guys don't realize is they don't even have the ETF yet. When the ETF comes out and when Google and Apple buy cryptos, because like they have Apple Pay and Google Pay, so like you have to realize there's still a lot of growth to crypto. You just have to be patient. And I thought we were gonna have to wait like maybe 2, 3 years for this to come out, but I mean, there's a possibility this happens later this year, and then boom, like the cryptos go on like another crazy bull run, and you're gonna be that paper handing sissy that's sold.
Yeah, I feel like there's gonna be a little panic before then, maybe. I don't
Yeah,
know, but
yeah, we'll see.
we'll see. I'm so long. My sell
Yeah.
target's 42 for right now, so
Hey, party though, I'm coming for you, man. I see that you have 77 or 78,000 followers. That's my goal is to get to 100K before party finance. Ooh,
yeah, it's
this
funny.
is
I'm now getting hit up by companies for like advertisement. It's kind of
okay.
funny.
They haven't hit me up yet. I'm not that popular yet. But this is a
Sell
good
for
question.
5 grand.
This is a good question. Would you, and I'm going to ask you because you're more of a crypto expert. Would you put your US dollar coins in Yearn for the 12% interest? Have you heard of Yearn?
No, I have not. Is that like another staking thing?
I guess the problem is like if it's not like a publicly traded company, you're taking more risk. With Voyager and with BlockFi, they're publicly traded companies, so I think you're going to be taking a little less risk. And so then that's why like they offer 12%, where like Voyager offers 9%, BlockFi offers 8.6. But remember, do you want that additional risk where you possibly get zero, right? Because if you get zero point 0.1 or 0.2%, it doesn't matter if you end up losing it all. So this is a good question. Is a ripple a part of the man or a part of the movement? What do you think?
XRP?
Yeah.
I don't know. I don't own any Ripple, so I don't know. I don't care for it really. I don't think I'll ever buy it.
Okay, this one is a funny question. Do you mine crypto? Someone
Yeah,
asked, do you mine crypto? Can you really
yeah.
show them? Yeah, show them really quick.
These are all my old ones, but there's like a video on my channel.
Yeah, check out his content, by the way. And I believe you have a YouTube, right, too? Or do you just have the TikTok?
Yeah, I have a YouTube. I don't post. I should post more. So
Do you want me to show you how to do your live streams? You know you can save these live streams and put them on YouTube. You know that, right?
yeah, I saw you can like download them. So
Yeah, you should, just so the algorithm like starts giving you subscribers. Because like I started with like only 1,500 subscribers because my channel was dead, and I started posting the live streams, and I post like my best shorts, the ones that get like the most views. And I'm on my way. By the way, thank you everyone that is following me on YouTube. I'm on my way to 3,000 followers for my YouTube channel, which is great because
no,
I need to get to 10,000 so I can get monetized. Okay, so someone wants to do the Voyager sign up. So hold on, I'll pull up my referral code really quick.
So what's your prediction on how long it'll take for Bitcoin to rise back? I don't know. I'm long. I bought at 33. I want 5x leverage. So my sell target's 42,000. I'm still holding it. So we'll
Okay,
see.
so around 42,000, you would be selling your crypto.
Well, I'm selling my long. So like I have 2 Bitcoins in the long. So then like I'll take my Bitcoin and hold it. Like I'm making more Bitcoin. So yeah,
That's with the
I'm not
5x.
selling it.
That's with the 5x leverage. By the way, so my referral code is CIN849 right there.
I could have closed it this morning at 3.3, but now it's at 2.5 Bitcoin profit.
Are you still mining Party Finance? They want to know.
Yeah, I am.
They
I
want to
have
know what.
35 Asic miners, and I have a 50 the SJ19s coming in like December.
Okay, and then how about this one? What's your hash rate? They want to know what your hash rate is.
I think it's like
Where do you actually go?
2 point,
Actually, sorry, go ahead and use Oliver's referral code. Use him. Albert, sorry, Albert, go for it.
almost 2.8 gigahash. Depends on what I'm mining. So I'm mining some like pre-release coins or unreleased coins. So pre-mining
All right.
some coins.
But hey, Albert, since you're using your referral code on my live stream, you got to answer people's questions. You're welcome to push your referral codes. Like I don't really need the money anymore, so you can post your referral codes. You just have to answer questions.
So what's
Okay,
the payback period on the mining equipment? It depends which ones you get, and also like market volatility. Like, right, what's the market doing? So it all depends. So like last month, the company they had a sale for the new miners, and they said they'll be released in October, but you won't get them until December or January, after they clear customs and everything. So you have to see what the market's at in like January, December time.
so this guy
Yeah.
on my channel is saying, "Come make dying coin great again. We're a blue collar coin. Dime coin
So he's
is
saying,
a blue."
sorry, I
I'll
know
read.
Nerd Finance is asking me a question.
Oh, what's his
So if the
question?
prices were stable now, I would say so. The miners I just bought that are coming in, they're making like 400 a day profit, like
Wow,
after expense a day,
wow.
and I got 50 of them coming. But they're like they cost 5,000. I got to pay custom fees on top of that, and then like yeah, there's a lot of expense that's going on.
How do you keep your power cheap though? Do you have to go to like different houses? Because like, don't you once you use a certain amount of power, like you have to pay higher prices? So wouldn't it be like more efficient to have like 5 different houses mining than one?
Yeah, well, so this is how I first initially started. I got into mining, and then like I was either gonna get a shed and put it in my backyard, and then I got made a bunch of money in crypto, so then I want to get into real estate. So I bought a fixer upper. It was beat up. So I turned it into like a mining operation. There was no kitchen. The upstairs had no flooring. Like it was basically a bando. So I turned it into like a mining op for 2 3 years, and then fixed up the house, and then yeah, that's the house right now. And I mean, it all depends. I have 35 Asics there, and then with my power company, they threatened me saying if I blow up the transformer, I like it's like a 6 figure fix. Like they're gonna pay, like make me pay 6 figures to fix all that shit. So
So shouldn't you split it?
yeah,
Like, wouldn't it make more sense? Like, let's just do a hypothetical thing, okay? Let's say, wouldn't you pay lower electricity costs if you did mining on 3 different houses than doing all your mining in one house? And then less
yeah.
risk?
But then like also like, the setup infrastructure, like it cost me a lot to get all that power, all those cabling and everything set up. So it's a
But
lot.
once again, wouldn't you not have to like wouldn't it require less power if you were doing 3 different locations? You wouldn't need all the crazy
I'm still
infrastructure.
getting the same rate. So like my rate hasn't changed. So
Okay, and that's because you're in Texas. Because in California, they like screw you. Like during the day, you pay higher rates because like everything is
yeah,
like yeah,
I know during the day I have it's like goes a little higher, but I have like a pretty much a fixed rate overall, like an
that's
average
awesome.
fixed rate.
I have solar panels, but I just don't think my solar panels are good enough yet to like, be able to
Yeah.
power a mining operation.
Especially ASIC miners. ASICs take so much power. So like my monthly bill for that place is like 3,600. It depends. Sometimes it's like 32, 36, depending on the month.
Someone's asking, how do you get the margin money from Robinhood to Voyager? You literally go to your Robinhood, you transfer cash to your checking account, and then from your checking account, you deposit it in your Voyager. So it's not that hard. Interactive brokers and Robinhood will allow you to just, instead of, you just transfer cash, and then you can use the cash to do whatever you want. Hey, by the way, when are you coming to LA? I gotta buy you a ticket so you can help me set up my mining operation.
Soon.
When, dude? You keep saying you're gonna come and you don't come.
Uh, I would say, I don't know, like a month. I don't know.
All right, you guys, everyone knows he's on the live stream. He says he's coming to LA in a month, so don't back out, dude. Bring your old miners, literally. Let's set up some old miners to run in my.
I have like a box of like old, like it's there like ready to go, like a whole box full of stuff. It's funny.
Nice. Yeah, let's run some mining operations out here.
What do you recommend for someone starting mining? I would start GPU mining, and then if you like that, get into like ASICs. Like ASICs cost a lot. Like I have my ASIC farm, and like it's also because like I can write a bunch of shit off, like because I'm mining. So like I mine to like get for my tax reasons too. So it's not always profitable for me, but recently because of the market and the miners I have, they're pretty profitable at the
And
moment.
and so can you do a meetup in LA, please? I have solar panels and GPU. Yeah, we'll do it, man. I followed you, so we'll do a meetup. Um, so this is a good question. What's the difference between the GPUs and the ASIC miners? Can you like elaborate the differences between each one?
Yeah, so ASICs they literally only do one thing, like one thing only. GPUs you can use them for running a computer, like anything you want, like different stuff. So ASICs depends on which one you get. It can only mine one algorithm, versus GPU can switch up the different like hash algos and stuff. So
What ASIC would
a
you
lot more.
begin with? For a beginner, they're asking what ASIC would you begin with?
I think like the L3s or the S7s. Those might be old.
Okay.
Because I have 50 of the new ones coming in. I'm only setting up 25. I'm selling 25.
Nice. Can I
It's
make some
crazy.
money
Like I
on
bought
one?
miners.
Can, can I
Sorry,
can I
go
make
ahead.
can I make money on one? I just want to get one for like each one of my properties because I don't want the bill to be crazy. Is it profitable if I
Okay.
run one on each property location?
Yeah, I mean right now, yeah, because they're making. It says it's making like 500 profit a day, but I won't know until I actually get them in hand. So
All right, so keep them. I'm gonna buy some off of you, and I'm gonna have you help me set them up. At because I literally have 5 rentals that have solar panels, so I'm gonna just go to the tenants and just be like, "Yo, like I'll cover $100 of your
like,
electric bill, and then just we're gonna run the miners in like random parts of the house."
so this is what they look like. They're super super loud, like insanely loud.
Can I put them in the
So
attic? I can put them in the attic area of the house,
nah,
right?
they have to be. They produce like 130 degrees each. Those probably like 200 degrees output of like heat.
So what? It has to be like in an air conditioned area.
Yeah, you gotta keep it cool.
Okay.
And make sure like no one complains about the noise. So I've had like a couple complaints about the noise where I was doing it, so then I had to like beef up sound and like all that. So
Neighbors can hear the miners.
yeah, it literally sound like I had like a beehive like swarming, like super super loud,
No
like insane.
way. That's
Yeah, like if
crazy.
so.
Wow. That's a trip.
Yeah.
So you're mining
It's a trip
primarily.
when the power company comes with the cops, and then I'm like, wait, let me open up my garage. So
That is
that
crazy.
was yeah.
The neighbors must think you're growing. So you're
So,
primarily mining Bitcoin, correct?
yeah, I'm like 65% Bitcoin, and then like the rest, I'm doing Dash, and then like 5%. This one, I'm pre-mining this one coin. That's not
And
out. So
have you heard of, you've obviously heard of Helium. Have you heard of Bobcat miners?
No, it's like the same thing. I'm guessing, right?
It's a
Like,
scam, probably.
probably.
Let me know. I'm still waiting to meet someone that actually pays to use the Helium network. It's like hilarious. Like everyone's buying the miners, but no one actually uses the network. You guys are so gullible. But they say this guy's making this much money with his miner. It's like, who's
Dude, yeah,
actually
this is
paying
not.
for it?
Yeah, I don't know. I'm on their website. I don't think it's real.
What, Bobcat miner?
Yeah,
Dude, that's
like
so smart. Let's create one. Let's create a party finance miner. Are you down? Or how
I
about a
have
YOLO
connections
Bitcoin?
in China. Like I know factories that are making like because like I buy so many miners. Like I have connects to them. It's like I could have my own branding, like party finance
No, but we
versions
gotta create
of.
fake ones because people are stupid and they want the stupid ones. So let's create like a fake scam coin. Like, would be a funny name. I don't know. I'll think about it, but we're gonna create a fake miner for you guys, and you can buy our fake miner, and then that way at least we profit instead of whoever else is profiting off of you. I'll think. By the way, if you're in this live stream chat, give us a good name for a scam coin. I guess scam coin, right? We should just create scam coin miners.
Scam one.
Someone's asking, are you buying them via Alibaba? How did you meet your
No.
Chinese connection? How did you pull that off?
Uh, I was buying so many, and then like, so when you buy a lot, and when you want to pay them, right? Like, either A, you got to pay in crypto immediately, and I'm like, yo, I don't have like 20 or 50 Bitcoin to pay you. I can give you like 10 right now, and then I can wire you money. But like, so like they sell out immediately, so you want to lock them in. So I locked in like 50, and then I emailed them. I'm like, look, I can pay you this much in Bitcoin, and I'll wire you X amount, and then like I got in contact like that and started chatting with like their sales rep over the years.
What did they screw
So
you? What if you send them like the 10 Bitcoin and they don't send you a miner? They're just like, too bad.
yeah, I mean that's that too. Like I've sent like when we do these mining, when I send it, like I'm sending it to China. Like I don't know where the hell I'm sending it, so it's being sent.
So how often have you
Like
been
I have the
scammed?
companies, their
No,
names, and like all their wire details, but at the end of the day, once you wire it to China, it's there. So
but
you hope you get a tracking number.
what if they don't send you anything? Like what if you send one to like one of these Chinese companies and they just don't send you anything? Like you just eat it?
It depends how much. Like the amount of money I'm investing, I would probably fly down there and see what the fuck's going on. But
You've never been
I
scammed.
don't know.
They always send the
No,
miner.
I buy it directly from the manufacturer's website. Like,
Okay.
yeah,
That's
I
less
don't go on
scammy.
third party websites. Yeah,
Okay, that's way less scammy.
yeah. Shiba exit scam question mark. My whole chat's like Shiba. I have no idea on Shiba,
How
but
many people are in your
probably
chat right now, by the way? I was beating you, but I don't.
37. I had like 80 or 90 yesterday morning, which was pretty
Nice.
cool.
Nice.
Yeah, but I have 37 right now.
Do you
Thank
get
you,
any
everyone.
receipts? Do they send you receipts for your mining stuff? Because you need it for taxes, right?
Yeah, they send me like a PDF saying paid. That's about it, and that's what I showed to my tax guy. But like, it literally just has like a stamp, the name, and it's super generic. So,
Someone wants to know what's your prices if you were going to sell your old miners? What would you sell them for?
it depends what they're going on eBay. Like, so the new ones I bought, some of them are going for like 13, 14,000, like right now, which is crazy.
But what's your cheapest miner? If you were going to sell like your old miners, what would be the cheapest you'd sell it for?
Let me see.
I'm going to give you the price of the cheapest miner if you want to buy one from Party Finance. Hit them up. I'm gonna lose so many people in my live stream. I feel like everyone's leaving my live stream to go to your live stream because they're like, he's got all the goodies.
I would say like $500, but then you have to see like, are these even profitable right now? And like, so these are like old, so like so that's the thing with technology. You got to keep upgrading. So like, I just continue to upgrade, and then like, if you want to get like start off as like a hobby, get like to know what a miner is. Yeah, get like one of these on eBay, try them out, and see what's up. Cause
Hey
they're
guys,
loud. Like once you get them, like when I got them, I was not expecting what I got. Like what I know now, I would never have gotten into it, but I like it for tax reasons. So I can write a bunch of shit off for my mining operation.
Nice.
So yeah.
So do you ever go to like a party and you introduce yourself and you're like, "Hey, I'm a miner." What do you do for a living? I'm a miner.
I just say like I run a data center. That's it. Like that's about it. I manage a data center.
Is there any resale value with the old miners? Are they modifiable?
To a point. I mean, you can open them up and like try to like mess with the script and redo some stuff, but I don't know. Like the ones I have, they're pretty much you can only do one thing and one thing only. So
What's the average ROI for a miner on eBay?
it depends. Every like there's so many variabilities. Like how much are you spending on power? Like how much was your setup and everything? Because like there's a lot of variables. I think in like somewhere I forgot in UK, I think they caught like a mining operation. They thought it was a grow op, but it was actually a mining operation, and he was actually stealing the power. So like he paid zero for power, so everything was free for him
So
except the miners.
I actually, so we have these big apartment complexes with huge parking structures that have power outlets. Would it be possible to go to these, like have like a van with miners and you drive to like these apartment complexes and then you just like take their power and run it? Because like I guess you would need
You,
internet, right? So you would use like a 5G
yeah,
hotspot and then with the
yeah.
hotspot you can mine it. Dude, let's create a
Yeah.
mining van, steal from people in California. I want to do this.
I was thinking about getting like a shipping container, like a mini one, and converting that into like a mining op, a little like to go, put it in a little truck, and then you move it place to place.
Okay, so my dad actually has an old molester van that he wants to sell. Let's convert it into a molester mining rig, and legit, like
The white van.
yeah, it's a white van, and when you come to LA, like literally, like where I live, I have like 5 apartment complexes all nearby where we could go and like park at one, and literally there's power outlets, right? So we could literally just run like, and then like, so we don't get caught. Like you go one day and you leave the car parked there
The
for
van's
40.
gonna sound like a swarm of bees unless you could like somehow find a way to keep it quiet.
We'll put like honeybee organic honey. It'll be like a complete hustle, you know. We'll be like, no one is gonna want to like go into the van because they think there's a bunch of bees in there. Yo, let's
Giant bee
do this.
decals.
Let's create a TikTok how we converted a molester van into like a profitable mining operation, and we don't even pay for electricity. Wait, have you tried StormX app? Free crypto for online shopping. They probably put a bunch of malware.
You can check out like Lolly. They give you like 10%.
Ooh, if you paint the inside of the van with Flex Seal, that should make it soundproof. I don't know.
No, these are so loud.
Anyways, we're gonna do this. We're gonna give me your old miners, and we're gonna make a molester van of mining.
What's causing the AMC dip? Overvalued, maybe? Question mark.
I should have
People
sold,
taking
man.
profit.
I should have put stock. I should have sold my AMC, my 20 AMC. Dang it.
Give it like an hour or so. See if it picks up steam.
Have you mined BNB before? Is it like a different algorithm?
No, I wish. I wish I was mining BNB. I'm staking BNB. So yeah, I have a buddy. He's been staking BNB. I should have done it like we have the same amount of BNB. I should have started staking when he did. He makes like 2 BNB, 2 to 3 BNB a day. I need to find out exactly what he's doing. And I'll make a video on that, which was crazy.
Yeah. So yeah, Weeble's a trustworthy app. It's just the borrowing on Weeble is really expensive. It's like 6 to 8%. And then so if you guys are interested in algorithm stock software, you should hit up Party Finance, right?
Dude, Blade, my biggest holding is up 10% while the whole market's down.
Nice, nice.
My evil laugh.
So can you let my audience know you have a algorithm software for sale, right? People can buy it off of you.
Yeah, basically it's just like a TD indicator, but a little more advanced TD. So yeah,
Yeah,
but
if you
yeah, link in bio if you're interested. I guess.
Yeah, if you're going to be buying crypto or stocks, not going to just ask for your driver's license in America. They're going to want your social because everything is registered with the SEC. That's how you don't evade taxes, is because any money you make on those crypto and stock platforms, they report it to the government.
So
How
why
much
I'm
is
not
it?
mining BNB, the miners I have don't mine that algorithm. So that's the only reason why I'm not.
People want to know how much your software is.
So you can try out the TD monthly for 65, or you can buy it like lifetime for 500. So
There you go.
whichever one.
And they can
Well, that's
what
like one of them. Yeah.
click on your profile, and how do they inquire? Just click on your profile link or something?
Yeah, it's like my Patreon. That's how I have it set up. So if you like do my Patreon, then you get it. I just need your TradingView username. So once you sign up, I'll message you.
Nice.
Basically.
Let me know how it goes, guys. If you get scammed, come back on and I'll be like, he's a scammer. No, I'm just kidding.
Yeah. And you get access to like my private chat room. Like I have a free chat room. Like try out the free chat. Like I'm all in. Like I'm always in the free chat room, and then the private chat is just where I'm putting in like minute to minute what I'm buying. So that's about it.
Can I get a referral if I refer people over to you?
Yeah, I need to set something up like that. That'll be pretty sweet.
Yeah, because I would never want to do any of that because people ask me for like a Discord in a private chat. And I was like, I'd rather funnel it to you because I feel like you do a much
Yeah,
better job.
I've been on
Like,
Discord for a while. I like it, but there's a lot of noise on Discord. There's a lot of Discords out there that are just trying to like sell you something. Like I don't really even sell mine. I don't try to promote anything I'm selling. So
and
I
everyone
talk
knows
about it here.
me. I never sell, so I can't promote a Discord because my strategy is buy and never sell. So
The
no money to be
algorithm
made.
software for mining. No, it's a trading indicator. Discord is super confusing. Yeah, at first I actually like it. Some companies are using it a lot. I want them to go IPO. I'm gonna buy a bunch of Discord if they ever go IPO. I'm gonna buy them.
No, man, they're gonna ask for your social security if it's in America. If you're an American, you have to pay American taxes, so that's why you have a social security number. There should be some sort of video that explains how like regulations work. You have to
Dude,
realize
yeah,
when you
like I
buy
tell my friends like back in the day to sign up for Robinhood, like bro, they want my social, and I'm like, yeah, no shit. Like what do you expect?
this is how the government makes sure you pay your taxes. BlackBerry? People want to buy BlackBerry stock, dude. Why are you buying BlackBerry stock when you could be buying
Because
a
that's like
bear?
the next short squeeze.
But like, dude, buy real stocks. Buy Airbnb. It's cheap. Buy Coinbase. What's Coinbase's price right now?
236.
Dude, Coinbase at 236. That's an easy money stock right there. You guys,
Yeah,
stop buying crappy stocks. Go buy Coinbase. Everyone and their mother is going to be giving Coinbase money for all their dumb fees. Like, dude, I think I've spent easily like a couple $1,000 in Coinbase fees. I mean, what do you think in your lifetime of crypto investing? How much money have you given to
100,000
Coinbase?
plus.
Exactly.
I okay, so let me tell you this. So this was a cool thing. Binance.com when they first came out, if you referred people, you would get a fee off every single trade that person did, right? So my trading volume was so much and all like but my buddy. So we referred ourselves and then like I guess like I would just put it like promote it on my own social media. So if we got people who would sign up, we're getting all their fees for every single trade. If they're making 100 trades a day, I get a piece of all their trades every single day. But I was mainly doing it for my own trade, so I would get back my trading fees. And I've gotten back like 17 Bitcoin that I've saved by just referring myself over like the last like 3-4 years on
Yeah,
Binance. Yeah,
that's
because of like
crazy.
my trading volume. Because I have a bot running, so like the bot's making like 200 trades a day, like trying to get like 5% throughout the day. So there's a lot of fees that I want back.
Yeah, my Dogecoin. I bought like 1,000 Dogecoin, guys, and I'm not selling it. I'm holding my Dogecoin to the moon. But yeah, to do the self-referring thing is really smart. If you guys ever want to do that, you just sign up for any app and then you just create a second email and you use your referral code for the second email. But you can't do that with Americans because they require a social. And you can't have two accounts with two socials. You can only do it with like
Yeah, I'm talking about
Binance
Binance,
and KuCoin
Binance.com.
or
Yeah.
KuCoin. Like if you don't want to use my referral code for KuCoin, you don't have to. Just create two accounts and refer yourself. And like I said, I don't need the referral, so I don't care. He has 8 Dogecoin. Coinbase Pro is the best way, right? Isn't that the cheapest way to get crypto right now? Coinbase Pro, or is there a cheaper way?
I think Binance.com, but sorry, Binance.us
What do
is
they charge?
cheaper. Like, I'll find out right now.
Yeah, look it up right now because I know Coinbase Pro is 0.25 and Gemini is 0.35. No, that was a good comment. Because Nerd Finance is like, sometimes he doesn't know what's going on. He's like, well, so the problem with Nerd Finance is he's never owned a business. So I don't think Nerd Finance has ever had to pay business taxes. Well, here's the thing. If you work for someone, you can't, if you're W-2 income, you can't overpay on your taxes. You have to have a business to overpay on your taxes. Because what you do is you do your own estimated taxes every year when you own a business. And so you purposely overpay your estimated taxes. The problem is I don't think Nerd Finance has ever had a business, so he's never had to do estimated taxes. That's why he's like clueless. He's like, what?
I think it's 0.1% for spot trading.
Wow.
Let me see.
Okay, so that's like way cheaper because it's 0.25. And then Ken Mills is asking, can you easily transfer all your holdings from Coinbase to Coinbase Pro? Yes, super easy.
The same username. Yeah, you just click two things in the account and it's
Yeah,
sent
you
over.
can. Someone's like, I don't think you can transfer from regular to pro. Yes, you can. It's really easy. And if you can't figure it out, you should just retire. Go buy stock
Yeah.
if you can't figure it out.
See,
Crypto's
I
not
was
for
on
you.
Coinbase when it was called Coinbase Pro was called Gdax back in the day.
I know, me too. That's how you know. Like, we should make a TikTok. Like, prove that you're a long-term crypto investor without saying a word, and then just like show GDAX. Why did they
Yeah,
change
that would
it?
actually blow up, to be honest.
Yeah.
What's up?
Yeah, why did they change it from GDAX to Coinbase Pro? I love that name, GDAX.
I think because like a lot of people thought Gdax was like its own separate thing and like not related to Coinbase, even though like if you go on the website you'll see it's Coinbase. I
Yeah.
don't know. Probably just branding issues.
By the way, I do want to make a shout out to everyone in Seattle. If anyone here is in Seattle, me and the dictator are going to Seattle next weekend. So give me some
All right.
recommendations if you've been to Seattle and you have anywhere you want to recommend. And then we're gonna get Party Finance to come to LA in July. My
Yep.
birthday is July 2nd. Dude, you should come out 4th of July weekend.
Yeah,
Party
I'll
on the
see it.
beach.
I'll see it.
We'll light fireworks on the beach. But thank you, Kelly Winters. You know what? Since you're answering these questions, you should post your referral code. When people ask questions of like, how do I transfer my Coinbase to Coinbase Pro? This is why I need other people in my chat to answer, and you should use their referral code because they're going to answer these questions over and over and over again. What's your first investment? For me, my first major investment was actually buying real estate. What about you?
I guess stocks. I had a like stock account when I was a kid, so
Okay.
stocks. I'm up 13% on Blade for today. Let's go.
Oh wow, Kelly Winters, you can go live with me. We should do a dual live now sometimes. I made you a moderator, and like when I'm not doing a dual live with Party Finance, let's do a dual live. I've never done a dual live with you, but you're a moderator now, Kelly Winters.
What's your prediction on Cardano for the next few days? All right, so I changed my mind on Cardano. I no longer support the project.
Why? Do I need to sell my Cardano? I need to get out?
No, I mean you'll do fine. You'll do fine most likely.
Why do you not support it?
Like
Because of the mining? They screw the miners over.
so basically, the founder, I forgot his name, but like he ran off from the SoftBank of Japan like years ago. I forgot. Like I was literally going through my messages with my other mining buddy, and I took a screenshot of our conversation. I was like, "Oh shit, that's so funny." But like obvious. So basically, the dude ran off with $10 million and like moved to Vietnam for 2 years, and all that money was a SoftBank of Japan's. So like Japan hasn't forgotten about ADA and like that 10 million that he stole.
He stole that Charles Hodge guy stole 10 million from SoftBank.
Yeah, yeah.
Wait, hold on, and then
And this is coming directly from like I'm talking about like, directors from SoftBank of Japan, like from their mouths. Like I believe it.
so how is he able to
Not
get
like
away with that? Why haven't they gone public and be like, this guy's a scammer?
I'm pretty sure he's paid it back by now. He's made a shit ton of money, or like he's probably like made it better. But that was a screenshot from the 2016 I like found in my phone the other day. So like
Coinbase,
yeah,
someone's asking for what are good stocks. Coinbase, Airbnb, what else? Boeing's too late,
um,
man. We were pumping Boeing, but I feel like it's too overpriced
yeah,
now.
I sold out. Yeah, I sold all my Boeing position.
Dude, literally,
Um,
go on our old live streams on YouTube. Every stock we were talking about like went up so much.
Yeah, I'm like 45% cash because I just don't know what to buy. Like I sold space too soon, and now I don't want to buy it because I feel like it's up a lot. So,
Yeah. I like Disney. If you guys want like a safe stock, Disney's a little like it's on the down end right now. So Disney's another easy money.
but look, AMC's about to hit 50. I told you around like lunch ish, so
Wait, it's
peeking
fifty
back up.
dollars from $30? It's $50? Let me take
Yeah, it's
another
48 right
screenshot.
now,
If it's $50, let me
so
take
it's up
another
26%.
screenshot because like when I take these screenshots, it makes my portfolio look way better. Hold on, I'll go take a screenshot so I can flex. By the way, I'm gonna go to the gym soon, guys. So I got like another 5 to 10 minutes of live streaming, and then just jump onto Party Finance's live stream. All right, let me see how much money I've made on my 20 shares of AMC.
Now it's dropping.
No, let me get a screenshot in before it's too late. I wish I get a screenshot at 70.
Yeah, I would have bought it 38 and then sold it right here. That would have been really nice. I should have done that. It's okay. I made 13% with Blade, so
I'm up
26% with Lane.
1,200%. I'm up 1,200% right now on my AMC. Should I sell?
I mean, I would lock in some gains.
But I already sold. I mean, I only have 20 shares, dude. I feel like I should hold these
Yeah,
20 shares. Because what if you saw the TikTok predicting? What if it goes to 100,000 a share? Then I'm gonna be that paper handing sissy that sold when it was 20,000.
Diamond hand, don't sell. Diamond hand, don't sell.
The best way to
I would sell. I would have sold like when I saw it yesterday. I was at that 71, 72. I saw mass. Like it spiked down to 31. So someone sold so much it cleared the order book to $31.
That's
So
crazy.
yeah, that institution made a shit ton of money.
Seriously. By the way, so someone's asking, what's the best way to borrow against your crypto? For now, it's Blockify, right? There's no other legal way to do it. I don't even know if there's
Yeah,
any
all the other ways are super sketchy. Like they're not
DCM.
regulated. Like it could be some dude in his basement, like me, running the website, right? But I'm not in a basement, so just FYI.
You have like what? You have like at least like 50 to 100 grand of just like memorabilia, right? Hanging up on your wall.
Yeah, so like compute. This office is like very. This room is a lot of money in this room that I
Yeah. Right.
spent.
You have a
Yeah,
bank, dude. You have an original Banksy, dude. That's like so cool. Yeah. Like, dude, that is so sick.
I got that
Wait,
like 2 years ago. I got lucky.
have you used
A private
Blockfolio? I've
seller.
never even heard of Blockfolio. Have you heard of Blockfolio? Celsius is not
I
bad.
used Blockfolio before they became what they are right now. Before they were just a way to track your crypto, right? So you like could add your favorite coins and just like look at it. But now it's like you can buy and sell and do whatever. Like they've evolved into an. See, that's where the money is at. Stop making cryptos, make an exchange. That's be the house. That's where the real money's at.
Remember, this is why I've been promoting you should be buying Coinbase and Voyager Digital. Did I get you to buy Voyager Digital stock yet, Party Finance?
Yeah, dude, I'm up. So I was up like 20, but I'm holding it. I'm up like 9% still. So ever since you told me, I'm still making money.
Dude, I know
9% profit.
everyone here, if you're using Voyager Digital and you're happy, go get a Charles Schwab, buy the stock. And my goal is to get 1,000 shares. Everyone here should consider getting 1,000 shares. But yeah, that's pretty good. All right, dude, I'm gonna go ahead and head out to the gym, guys. So if you want to go into his live stream, it's really easy. You just click on Party Finance, and I think you can just like click on his live, and boom, you'll be in his live stream. So I would like to see my entire live stream go over there. He'll give you some good info. But okay, guys, thank you very much for watching. I'm gonna post this on my YouTube channel. So, oh, and before I go, I forgot since I have a bunch of people in my live stream. Can you promote this too? Can you guys follow me on Twitter? My house caught on fire and Lemonade Insurance is not paying me. So I'm waiting till I get 100 followers. I'm gonna tweet Lemonade Insurance and make them look bad. And by the way, do not buy Lemonade Insurance because they'll take over 3 months to investigate why your house caught on fire. But yeah, so please add me on Twitter, Party Finance. Tell your followers to follow me on
Yeah, go
Twitter.
ahead, add him on Twitter.
And if
All
I
dirty
actually get paid
retweet.
out on my insurance, I will do like a drawing of crypto. I'll give people crypto for helping me get to 100 followers on Twitter. So hopefully, Lemonade pays for my house catching on fire. All right, guys, take a good one. There you go. Twitter, Dean Cena. Please follow me on Twitter so I can actually. Dude, so they said that the insurance company owes me $500,000. So help me get my half a
Really?
million dollars from Lemonade Insurance. All right, have
Tax
a good
free?
one, guys. Yeah, tax free. And I'll put this on the YouTube channel. So check out my YouTube channel if you like these live streams. All right, bye, guys.
Sweet.